ang pinaka-komprehensibo at pinaka-malawak na pag-uulat sa kasaysayan ng halalan. Eleksyon 2010. Mga pinakahuling kaganapan mula sa iba't ibang sulok ng bansa. Eleksyon 2010. Ihahatid ng mas pinalakas at mas pinatibay na mga himpilan ng Catholic Media Network sa buong bansa. Kasama ang pinagsanib na puwersa ng mga pinagkakatiwalaang organisasyon. GMA News and Public Affairs, DZBB, RGMA Network Incorporated, Inquirer, GMA News.tv, GMA New Media, GMA Pinoy TV, QTV, Solar Entertainment, Philippine Daily Inquirer, ELDT, Smart Communication, AMA Education System, Philippine Center for Investigative Journalism at Institute for Political and Electoral Reform, University of the Philippines School of Economics, Ateneo de Manila University School of Governance, De La Salle University, University of Santo Tomas, San Beda College of Law, Youth Vote Philippines, at ROC-ED, Philippine Bar Association, Parish Pastoral Council for Responsible Voting, National Movement for Free Elections, at Commission on Elections. Isang espesyal na coverage ng Catholic Media Network para sa halalan, para sa bayan. Eleksyon 2010.